Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel ABCS Preparation Site. So guys, this is a chapter 5 of GRE Quant, in which we'll solve today the word problems part 1. For the previous video, you can check it out our description part where you will find the link for that videos. Now we'll move on to the content. Before that, if you're new to our channel, please subscribe our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon so that you will get the notification for upcoming videos. Now our questions are, here is our first question. A certain taxi charges $0.85 for the first half mile and $0.25 for every half mile after that. So see here, for first half mile it charges $0.85, right? And after the half mile they charges $0.25 for each half mile. So that means $0.5 for 1 mile, right? So that will be the charge. So now here the total cost of a trip was $8.85. So we have to find out for column A the trip distance in mile, that is total distance the trip was, and for column B given 16. So total price is $8.85, and here we know that first half mile it charges $0.85. So when we minus it, it become $8 remain. So that will be for half mile, and see $0.5 for 1 mile. Make it easy more. For $1 it will be 2 miles. Similarly for $8 that will become 2 into 8 miles, right? That will be total 16 miles. So $8 contribute to 16 miles, and total trip will be 16 plus half mile, that will equal to 16.5 mile. That's why column A become greater than column B. That option is A. Our next question is, to create paint with a certain shade of gray, one must combine 2.016 liter of black paint with every 1 liter of white paint. So approximately how many liters of white paint must be combined with 350 liter of black paint to create the certain shade of gray? So here in question it's given that to make a shade of gray there is a mixture of 2.016 liter of black paint with 1 liter of white paint. So now we have to find out how many liter of white paint should be combined to 350 liter of black paint. So now from question, 2.016 liter of black paint will be equal to 1 liter of white paint. So for 1 liter of black paint will require 1 by 2.016 liter of white paint, and for 350 liter of black paint will require 1 by 2.016 into 350 liter of white paint. That will become 173.6 liter of white paint. So our answer choice will be option first. Next question is, Clive is 4 times as old as L and Bob is 3 years younger than L. The sum of their ages is 81. We have to find out for column A the L age, and column B is already given 13. So from question we see here, C, Clive equal to 4 times of L and Bob is 3 years younger than L, and the sum of their ages is 81. That is L plus Bob plus Clive is equal to 81 years. So now substitute the value of B and C from above, where we will get L plus A minus 3 plus 4a is equal to 81, and that will become 6a is equal to 81 plus 3, that will be 84, implies L will be 84 divided by 6, 14. So L age is 14 years, which is greater than column B, and option will be A. Our next question is a shipment of watermelons weight 899 pounds. If each watermelon weighs at least 15 pounds, what is the greatest number of watermelon that could be in the shipment? Here the shipment total weight is 899 pounds, right? And the least weight of watermelon is 15 pounds. So now we have to find out the greatest number of watermelon in the shipment. So first we will divide 899 divided by 15 pounds. So we'll get the number of watermelon, and that will come as 59.93. So we can't round it out to the 60, because if we round it out, 60 into 15 will be 900, and that's not a weight. So there may be chances of some weight more than 15 pounds. So maximum number would be 59. Yes, that's our number. So answer choice will be option third. Our next question is, in 12 years, Murray will be 4 times as old as he is now. So for column A, we have to find out the number of years until Murray is 8 times as old as he is now. So let's consider Murray is m years old now. So see here, in 12 years Murray will be, so that's the future. So in 12 year, m plus 12, the Murray will be 4 times as old as he is now. So now recent age is m. So now find out the m value. 4m minus m equal to 12. So 3m equal to 12, and that will make m equal to 4. So Murray is 4 years old right now. So now we have to find out for column A number of years until the Murray is 8 times as old as he is now. 8 times old. That means, so we have to find out after how many years the Murray will become 8 times old as he is now. So 8 times means 8 into 4, that will be 32 years old, right? And he is now 4 years old. So for finding the remaining year, we have to minus it 4, and that will become 28. So after 28 years, the Murray will become 8 times old as he is now. So column A answer will be 28, and which is greater than the column B, and our answer will be option A. So our next question is, in a group of 100 adults, total 100 adults, 75% of the women are left-handed. If there are 12 right-handed women in the group, how many men are in the group? So see it from question, total are 100 adults, right? And 75% women of the women are left-handed. And if there are 12 right-handed women, if 75% of total women are left-handed, then 25% of total women become right-handed. So we don't know the number of women, how many are women. So let's consider 25% of women number become 12 right-handed. So solve it to find the value of W, so that we will find out the main count. Main number 12 into 100 divided by 25, and that will make 48 women total. We have to find out the how many men are in the group. So men will be 100 minus 48, which is 52 are men. So answer will be second option. Next question is, if a taxi charges $8 for the first mile and $1 for each additional quarter mile, quarter means 1 by 4. So how much does the taxi charges for 4.5 mile ride? So we have to find out the total charge for 4.5 mile. See, according to the question, for 1 mile, first mile, the charge is $8. And for remaining 3.5 mile, what is the charge rate? See here, that is $1 for 0.25 mile. So for 1 mile, the charge will be $4. So for 3.5 mile, that become 3.5 into 4, and that will be $14. So total charge will be 14 plus 8, and that become $22 price. So our answer choice is option C. Our next question is, in a group of 40 peoples, total 40 peoples, 15 have visited Iceland and 23 have visited Norway. If 11 people have visited both Iceland and Norway, how many people have visited neither place, not any country? Here we can use the set formula also that we study on our school level. We can solve it by making a Venn diagram. Okay, see here, one circle for Iceland. This is for Iceland. Then there is both conditions, so we'll lapse it, and this circle for Norway, and that box will represent the entire condition U. 11 people visited both Iceland and Norway, so here it will be 11. Remaining for Iceland will be 15 minus 11, that become 4, and for Norway that will become 12. So add it up, how much it become? Total 27, right? And the remaining people will be 40 minus 27, 13 people. The people who visited neither of the places will become 13. So our answer is fourth option. Our next question is, a movie theater charges $6 per ticket and pays 1,750 of expenses each time a movie is shown. How many tickets must be sold each time a movie is shown for a theater to make $1 of profit per ticket? See here, it is a very easy question but complicated to understand. The condition is that movie theater has to make a $1 of profit on each ticket, so the cost price for ticket will be less than $6. That will $6 minus $1, and that will be $5 per ticket, and their expenses is $750. So we need to divide it by $5 and we'll find the number of tickets that must be sold to make a profit of $1, and that is 350 tickets. Answer will be option C. So our next question is, we have to find out what is the sum of all integers from 45 to 55 inclusive. We have to find out the total sum. So here we will use the arithmetic sequence formula. See here, 45, we have to find out the sum of all integers, right? 45, 46, 47 to 155. The sum of arithmetic sequence is n by 2 bracket first term plus last term. So first term is, we already know 45, and last term is 155, and we have to find out the n value, that means the number of terms. So for number of terms, n value 155 minus 45, and inclusive is mentioned, that's why we have to add one value, and that will be our number of terms. That give us 111. So substitute all value and we'll find out the sum. N will be 111 divided by 2, and first term will be 45 plus last term is 155. That will be 111 into 200 divided by 2. So 200 divided by 2, that makes 100, and answer will be 11100. That is 11,100. Option is fourth option. Our next question is Ronaldo earns $11 for each ticket that he sells and a bonus of $2 per ticket for each ticket he sells beyond the first 100 tickets. For more than 100 tickets he earns bonus of $2, okay, per ticket. If Ronaldo was paid $2,400, how many tickets did he sell? So now analyze the question. See here, for 100 tickets, for first 100 tickets, the price will be $11 for each ticket. So total amount will be 11 into 100, and that will be $1,100, and total is $2,400. So subtracted 0031, so remaining is $1,300. And see here, after 100 tickets he get a bonus of $2, 11 plus $2, and that's the price become $13. So for remaining amount, that is $1,300, and per ticket earn is $13. So divided, it become 100. So that's a 100 ticket he sell for $1,300. So total ticket will be first this 100 tickets and now this 100 ticket, total become 200. 100 plus 100 is equal to 200 tickets. So answer will be option D. Our next question is Appleton's population is 400 greater than the Berryville's population. If Berryville's population were reduced by 900 people, then the Appleton population would be 3 times as large as Berry population. So what is the Berryville current population? So analyze the situation one by one. See here, first sentence, Appleton population. Appleton population is 400 greater than Berryville's population. B plus 400. Right? That's our first equation. And see the next sentence. If Berryville population were reduced by 900, that is B minus 900, then the Appleton population would be 3 times as large as Berryville population. So Appleton population would be 3 times as large as Berryville population. That will equal to A. Equation second. So we have to find out the Berryville's current population. To substitute A value in equation first, we will get 3B minus 900 is equal to B plus 400. That will be 3B minus 2700 is equal to B plus 400. 2B is equal to 2700 plus 400, and that will be 3100. B will become 3100 divided by 2. Answer will be 1550. So our first option is the answer. So our last question for this part is, attendees at a charity dinner each gave at least $85 to the charity. At least. See the word carefully. If $6,450 was collected, what is the maximum number of people who could have attended? We have to find out the maximum number. So the total amount collected is $6,450, and the least price given is $85. When we divide it, we'll get the number of people. That will give us 75.88. So here is talk about the least, see, and the maximum number of people we have to find out. So we can't make it 76. It will be less than this value, and answer will be 75. So our option C is the correct choice. So guys, this is the end of our chapter 5, part 1 of word problems of GRE Quant. If you like this, so please hit the like button, comment below down, and if you're new to our channel, please subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon so that you will not miss the upcoming videos. Till then, goodbye, take care and have a good day, and thank you so much for watching our video.